three. Two twins is here. Two hair girl and boy. Here, one is a driver, one is a passenger. So that passenger is a luxury mama. She is VIP. Always call her Madam. Oh my God! This is so big! Baba himbo sari sari I take you. Mama, baby, get out of my hair! Oh! Dragonfly! Stand up and baby. Mami. My hair is kasi. Ito natin?
Doon, may dating yan tayo.
Okay.
Ito lang, Diggs.
Ha?
Ito na lang.
Gusto ko sa mama. Just buhat ni din. I video both of you in the liquid.
Hintayin pa ako.
Walang kagat.
Nauna pa itong naitanim mo. Yata. Yan nga yung kasabay natin. Para na din.
Okay, 3,